Oh yeah. I think it's a bass.
No, but
Oh.
that's not him.
All right, pass him over. Hey, we caught a fish on this lake. Oh hey. Hey. No, the first hook is in the mouth. He ate it.
Uh-oh.
And then with these lures, they just get. Okay, first hook is out. Okay. What? There he goes. Hey, we got a fish on the new lake. Oh. Yeah, you got him. There you go. Wait, the rock bass. Have you ever caught one of these before?
I think so.
It's a rock bass. Okay, that's a new species for the trip. You want to hold him? Teeny guy? No? No. Alright, well, rock bass. You said you've caught one of these before?
Yes.
Not a new species? Okay.
Or maybe you caught it.
Well, I don't know. I know I've caught them before.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, look at him jump. He hit it almost instantly.
Wow.
Come here. Oh, he choked it. Look how this guy ate it. Just down. Alright, came out just like that. My first fish on this lake. See ya. There we go. I got this one. Oh, bashik. Oh yeah, largemouth. I don't know if there's smallmouth in here. I'll take him. Okay. Well, another little largie, Northwoods largie. See ya. Oh, I got one. There we go. Took a while to get one. I don't even feel him. He's there. There we go. Now I feel him.
No?
I don't know. Oh my god. What is that?
Bass, right?
I have no idea. If it's a bass, it's a pretty nice one. Come on. Oh, it's a pike. Oh, wait. Oh, he's still on. No, wait. Is he on? I think he came off. Oh my god, we're not gonna know. I think he might have came off. No, I see him. He's there. I need to get some grass off him before you get him in the net. It's a nice pike. Net. He's free.
Oh, wow.
Hey, what a fight. What a jump from him too. Okay. Took a while, but that's a nice one. In the old canoe. One like this. Alright. Check out those teeth. Mean. Alright, we'll let him go. Probably, I don't know, 22, 23 incher. There he goes. Awesome. Oh, there's one. Right out of the lily pads. Now this one's a bass. saw him come out and eat it too. Come here. Bass. Alright. Just knew they'd be in these lily pads. Had a feeling. Stop. Okay. My 10th bass of the trip. Let's go. Oh, pike. It's a pike. Net. Oh my god, it might be a muskie. Get the net. Oh my god, he came off.
Came off?
It was a nice fish.
Aww.
I can't tell what it was, but it might have been. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna need the net for this one, I think.
What?
Probably gonna need the net. Feels pretty good. Pretty sure it's a pike. Oh, it's a nice pike. Oh. Here he comes. And in the net he goes.
He's so calm.
Yeah, he is very. Alright, pass the net over. He is quite calm.
He's so calm.
I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a fish. You have a fish. No, you have him. Get the net. Well, you definitely have him. Okay, I'm gonna stand on the canoe. Gonna try and bring him to me. Oh!
Let him go?
What?
I mean, look.
Just keep fighting him.
It's a bass.
Yeah. I'll get him in the net.
Nie mogę, tak walczy, nie mogę się
Well, yeah.
rozwijać.
I mean, real as you can, but he's probably in the grass too, so it's gonna be harder. Yeah, you gotta like, oh my, no wonder.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
here,
why it's so heavy.
hold the rod.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we won't need the net. No wonder. All right, try to like, oh, got him. He's somewhere, oh God. He's somewhere in here. Oh my.
Bass?
Yeah, it's a bass. Oh, relax, buddy. All right.
Big one. Same big was one now.
Oh man, he has sharp teeth. He has a leech in his mouth.
Oh.
Is that a leech? No, never mind. Okay, he's unhooked.
But like the...
Oh yeah, that'll come off later. Look at that. That's your first fish. You want to hold him? You can just set the rod down if you want. He has sharp teeth, I'm not gonna lie.
No.
No? No. Alright, well, there's my mom's first fish of the trip. Don't even want to hold it. That was quite the fight, though. Alright. Oh, God. Aggressive till the end. There we go. It's gonna be another bass. Oh! And he's off.
Fall off?
Yeah, he came off. Dang.
Gotta love the jump though.
Except when they spit the hook.
Yeah.
It was a smaller one, but my goal was 60 fish. That would have helped. There we go. Number 70 will be mine if I land him. It's a small pike, very small. This might be even smaller than my This might be. Gotta measure him.
Oh.
Baby, hey. Chill, chill. Hey, that's why we net him, I guess. Okay. He is... Oh, he's 14. He's bigger than the other baby, I thought. He's meaner, though. Alright, baby, you can go. Hey, wake up. You gonna go? There it goes. Another bass? No, it's crappie. Yeah. Let's see. It's like the same size as like the 9-inch range. Oh, got him hooked just right there. Nice black crappie though. Nice colors on him. Oh gosh, this is a better fish. Can I not lose this one? It's a pike. It is a better fish.
Close?
Getting close.
Don't catch anything.
This is a good fish. Oh yeah.
Did you just see the biggest one, or?
Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's a nice bass. I was certain it was a pike by the way it was fighting. Didn't jump, didn't go down in the grass.
What, a bass?
Yeah, it's a bass. The biggest one too. It's a solid one.
Yeah.
Solid.
Pound and a half. I mean, he's like tall, like his.
Fat.
Yeah, very fat. I don't have the scale, but probably pound and a half, pound and 3/4.
Nice.
Oh, okay, he was ready. Jeez, another bass. Yeah, even smaller. Oh yeah, he's giving it his best. Wow, he inhaled it. I mean, look at it. Go on. That's how you know throwing what they want. And they eat it like that. Alright, even smaller guy, but man, he wanted it. The trolling worked. It's gonna be bass. We'll quickly get him unhooked. Keep trolling. Alright, almost a pounder. Keep on going. There we go. I'm on this time. Think that's a bass. This is a jumping pike. Oh my god, it's a nice bass. Don't you go under the boat like that.
Need net?
Yeah. It's a tank of a bass. It's under the frickin' boat.
Oh.
Shit. Don't know how. It's gonna.
Want me to go?
It's a miracle if I get this fish in. Looks like a bass. Oh,
Wow.
it's a pike.
Look at that.
What a jump from a pike. He is a good fighter.
Yeah. Little baby, but
Okay.
on the board.
It's a little baby.
Bye.
Wow, he was quick to go too. There we go. Another one. Are we doubled? Oh, we're doubled. Oh, not doubled. Would have been the first double up of the trip. This time it's a bass. Hey.
Yeah, nice.
It's like the one spot we haven't fished on the lake, really. Wind's never blown us here. Alright, another nice Northwoods largie. Flipping back. Got one. Way out there. I think it's another bass. Yeah. The bass are hungry today. Alright, it's another small guy. Flipping back. There we go. Put slack in my line when we hit it. Oh, it's a nicer bass.
I love the job.
Yeah, that's a nicer one.
Yeah.
Oh, don't get in that grass. Hey. Oh.
You found her? That's a nice one.
Closer to pound and a half. It's not a bad one at all. Not the fattest. Get that grass off him. Clean him up. Alright. But yeah, he put slack in my line when he hit. Sheesh. What the heck? Oh, okay, it's a smaller largemouth. Just caught in the grass, I can't see him. It's a fat one too.
Nice job.
He was barely hooked. Nice fatty. 3/5 of a pound.